Purosangue. Follow me. We have a beautiful red Ferrari Purosangue, whatever the case may be. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's this one right here. Beautiful red, insane interior, very, very nice. Looks great. Javier's getting this thing on the track right now. As you guys can see, we have a big problem. And the problem is, this car is too high. We are going to put some beautiful springs on it. Javier's going to take care of it right now. Hopefully we get this thing done today. And the car, give it a car a brand new look. So that's what Javier's going to do right now. Let's get the process started. Javi, come with me. Come with me, Argentina. Come, let's talk about it together. Come on, let's go in front of the car. You're gonna be the superstar of the day. Okay. All right, you guys. Long Friday. Yeah. We got it done. Same day. 1 day of work, and Javier did it. He made it happen, which is pretty hard to do. I can't say anything where this car was or what happened, but they couldn't do it at all. So it came here, and we did it here. Same day, no problems. Half a day.
Came after lunch.
Yes, after lunch, and we got it when we knocked it out actually. So half a day. Yeah, that's right. Javier made it happen. Look at this guy. He has matching shoes. Beautiful. Ferrari Purosangue. Whatever. How do you say it?
Purosangue.
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 Ferrari Purosangue. Yeah. All finished. Good to go. Good job, Javi. You did a good job.
Okay.
Finished. Now you get the hell out of here. Go have a beer or something. Yeah. Oh. We have this beautiful Turbo S here. It's in here for regular service, oil filter, and oil change. It's all done. We have to run this car right now and see where the oil level is. As you guys can see, right now it is still only half, but we're gonna wait until it goes a little higher. We just put more oil in it, so as soon as it comes close to max, we're good to go. That's it on this one. Oh, okay. So what are you doing? Play? All right, guys, we are doing a beautiful Ryft kit on this beautiful Urus.
Why all the time no check the parts? How come in the lines?
Why?
It's only like this or more bigger? Team?
You cannot put it.
I don't know what you're saying. I don't understand what the hell you're saying.
Oh.
But it's
Okay,
okay.
Chico.
Yeah, just do whatever you want.
Then you take the orange out.
Fuck, let's take out the bumper.
You take off the bumper? You take off the bumper?
We have to take it out the bumper. You finish? I'm sorry. You. Sorry.
Why big send picture? Not me.
Lipis en la boca, man.
He doesn't
Nami.
send the picture.
Not me. Why?
He doesn't send the picture.
No. Me.
Look at, listen.
Hey, I'm the painter. He's not the
Listen.
painter.
He did a picture, sent to Vic. Vic is answering. You do a picture, you send it Vic, he's answering to you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Listen,
No. The first, no.
You don't understand.
No, comprende.
No.
This guy did a picture.
Check the picture.
This guy did a picture.
He has one picture for use with body
right
already.
Right now, he did a picture, send it to Vic. Vic is answering. Go by the line. If you're doing the same thing, right now, that's a complete.
You have to understand.
He's mad.
Hey, I understand. Okay, speaking Armenian, I understand.
Shut up.
Pendejo maricona.
Ah, pinche.
Cóbrete.
Ah,
Fucking
pinche vato. Okay, quítale el talle ese.
This guy did a picture like this and sent it to Vic. Antics.
Older. Who the said get older is a good thing? All right, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have seen this Ferrari before. It's been here many, many times. Regular services, different stuff, etc. This time we have an issue. We have two of these guys here. As you guys can see, this is a big issue when you have this broken. So we have two brand new ones from Ferrari. These boots, there's two boots that come in a pair. So we're replacing both of them. Actually, it's already done. So Javier put it in. Now the car should be working much better because obviously that's a problem. Now we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna lift the front end a little bit, suspension, because it's very, very low, touching every time he drives. So Javier's gonna raise it a little bit. It has coilover, so we can do it. And that's it for this one. Pretty quick, nothing crazy this time. You fucking put it loud. I don't. All right, you guys, we have this beautiful $165,000 Escalade. This thing is super nice, and he's turning on the music over there. Look, he's trying to put it up, music up high. He's doing it purposely. Here it goes. I'm not doing it, he's doing it. Alright, give me a second. Yeah, so we're doing, we just fixed the door on this thing. Passenger front door. Came out very nice, amazing, beautiful. This car is headed to the dealer now. No, sorry, to the detail to get some detail. Back to brand new. Look at this thing. This is future, I mean, crazy technology. Insane. It looks like you're at a movie theater. Whole big screen.
Movie theater?
Yeah, look at this. It's all like screens all over the place. Really nice. Anyway, really nice car. Customer's on his way. See you later. Bye bye. Have a good weekend.
¡Ey!
Hey,
¿Cómo viste que me tocaste la panza? Ahí sabes qué, ayer.
I touched you.
Ayer estaba yo sentado allí. I was sitting there. Y el chiquito estaba de aquel lado. No es paja. Alguien me tocó aquí.
It wasn't him.
Ajá. Ah.
It's a
En el
ghost.
fila y volteé a ver así y aquel cerote estaba allá. ¿De qué lado? What the fuck? De ahí me tocaron ahí. Dios.
The ghost of RDB.
¿Ah?
The ghost
Ah, aquí asustan, güey.
of RDB.
Aquí asustan. Acuérdate que aquí hicieron una película, se llamaba La Casa de Vidrio.
Yeah?
Yeah, the Glass House. They using this place for the
Oh shit.
hombre! Neta, allí me tocaron ayer. Allí. Ahí estaba sentado yo en esa. No mames.
You're haunted.
Allí, güey. Allí en esa silla, mira. Allí en esa silla. I promise, me tocaron ayer.
Someone
ahí.
touched you.
Yes.
Probably Moses.
¿Ah?
It was probably Moses.
Moses no sale de la oficina. Si sale, se va a derretir con el calor.
Alright, you guys. So the famous RDB van needs some repairs.
Again?
Again, but this time it's a little more serious.
What, is he gonna die?
Oh, it's regular wear and tear. Just the starter is bad. We almost got stuck on the street. Almost died.
Isn't that what happened last time? And
Yeah.
then you fixed it?
The tires are very bad. It's not that bad. Actually, it's very bad. Oh! We have some stuff here we need to change, which is really bad.
No tire on there.
Huh?
The wires are starting to come.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Don't drive like that.
Out of all the people, you're driving like this?
Then here's the starter. Very, very old and very bad. And yeah, nothing crazy. We're changing a couple of filters.
How
and
much
that's
was the starter?
it. 300. Thanks for holding that.